What's up? My name is Kamal, and today we're just gonna film a video on how to replace the license plate bulbs on our 2006 Porsche Cayenne S. And these are the bulbs I got. I guess that would be like the number for them. They did have like LED bulbs, which were twice as expensive, but I guess, you know, they'll last 2 to 3 times longer. But I decided to go with the originals because those LEDs are really bright, and I kind of like the more mellow, soft light on the license plate. The license plate doesn't need to have extremely bright lights on it. So to get these out, there's actually like a Torx screw in there, which this is what like a Torx bit looks like. This is a T30, but the one that actually fits our Cayenne is a T10, so it's like a really small Torx bit. So if you don't have those, you need to go get some. Oh. Yeah, this is the one that's actually burned up. You can see it's darker, and the filament going across is still like one side is there. So yeah, in here, I mean, I guess you could actually take the connector out and take this off to make this easier. Or you could do it like I did it, which I actually just removed the bulb with this still in the car. But yeah, you just have these like little circular bits that each end of these kind of goes into. See, I have it in one side, and then it kind of has that little thing there to allow you to kind of like slide it down into place. Okay. Cool. And then the other thing is, most people know this, but wearing gloves, I guess it's a good idea because the oil on your fingers, if you get that like on the glass body of the bulb, apparently that can cause it to burn out quicker or sooner than it would. So every time I'm dealing with bulbs, I just like to wear gloves. And just put that back in place. Yeah, I guess just make sure when you, if you do disconnect that it doesn't like pull itself back up in there and you lose it, which I don't really think that would happen. But yeah, then we just, you know, this actually has like a little rubber part on it to seal water out. When you push it back up in here, it kind of like seals a little bit. And yeah, I mean, these are pretty small screws, so don't go too crazy with tightening them down. And that's what I meant. See, like when I let go, it kind of like pulls itself back up sometimes. Yeah, and I mean, you don't want to bend these too much, but I guess you can kind of pull it to the side to get the bulb out. Because you actually, if you see, they're kind of like pushed in a little just to hold the bulb in, but also these metal pieces are actually what cause the bulb to light up. And yeah, this whole thing is actually rubber, as you can see.
There we go.
Well, that's that. Not too difficult. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more Cayenne stuff, we have a lot of videos on our Cayenne and our older Cayenne that we used to have. So yeah, see y'all in the next one. Peace.